Hello, homeowners. This is Smarter Comparisons. We want to send you a free list and guide to get free grants and money to fix up your home and a whole slew of other reasons. And you get to choose depending on what you're looking to do with your house, up to $97,000 worth of this. Okay. Maybe your house needs some work. Maybe you got some repairs that you want to make. Otherwise, you're having some trouble making. Okay. There's free grants and other rebates, tax breaks, and plans up to $97,000 and $500. And this is for homeowners in the United States. Okay, maybe you need a kitchen remodel, home repairs, new landscaping, you want to go green and get solar, maybe home expansions and remodels. We compiled a comprehensive list of federal and state grants and other programs that are available for homeowners. And so you can grab this today by clicking the link below. There's a link below. Just click the link and you can get this. We're just going to send it to you right in your email, okay? Maybe you want to build a casita or a granny flat. You want to expand the house, build a garage, build something else, maybe a man cave or a she cave. There's plenty of grants out there and money to get to fix up your home, so you can click the link for your free guide. People aren't aware of all this money out there, and we just wanted to make a whole huge list from Smarter Comparisons so that you learn the ups and downs and the yeses and the nos of what's available in your state, your county, and your city, because it varies by location. But there's so many things out there. Like I said, there are some free grants and other programs where you can get up to $97,500, okay, for homeowners in the United States. Kitchen remodels, like we said, home repairs, landscaping, solar, go green, turf. Maybe you're sick of paying for that water bill and you want to get turf instead of the grass, which is popular sometimes in the Southwest and the Southern United States and also in the Northeast sometimes. Home expansion and remodels are super popular lately, okay? Granny flats, building the extra thing. Maybe you've got some young adults that are still living with you and you want to build out some room for them. There are so many different programs, tax breaks, and all kinds of things that you can get to help you with this. So we compiled a comprehensive list of federal and state grants and programs that are available for homeowners. We're going to send you, when we get the information, it's going to go right to your email inbox. You don't have to pay for anything. You just need to tell us where to send it. So if you want to have a place that looks like this and you want to go ahead and fix it up, we're the place to be. Go ahead and click the link below, and we'll send it right to you. Take care.